In this video, I'm going to teach you how to transfer data through QR code. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Generating a QR code and transferring any sort of data through it is extremely simple. You will have specific applications that allow you to do this. So in this example here, I have this app, Data Transfer, QR File Transfer. You have options that are built into specific operating systems like Android, specific launchers and so on, and you have options for PC. So in here, you will be able to upload files. So you click on the upload files button, and after you upload files from your computer, you will be able to retrieve them through this QR code. So when you choose any random files, this QR code at the left side of the screen will be generated. So now you can copy this link and share it with other people. They will access this link or the QR code at the left and download the files that you uploaded. Keep in mind that this QR code has an expiration, so 1 hour from creation. You can also manually delete them once the person has received the files. But like I said before, you have other ways of generating QR codes. It isn't exclusive to this particular website or this particular service. This one just makes it very simple to transfer files by generating QR codes on the fly, but various different apps, services, and software features exist that allow you to do this exact function. I'm not going to go over every single one, but for example, on Samsung devices, you have the quick share option, which will generate a QR code when you use the share function when browsing through a file, image, and so on. But I believe the QR file transfer website is another extremely easy way to get this done. So I hope I was able to help you on transferring files through QR codes. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. By subscribing, you can help us make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.